what's up? Today we're doing an extra video. You're getting an extra video from me this week because today I wanted to share with you guys the new Nailpolish winter collection, the winter rain collection, and it launched today, this morning, 7 a.m. Pacific Standard Time. So I'll link their website below. You guys know I love Nailpolish. They have some great quality polishes and they always come out with really great colors, and they're really innovative with their collections, I feel like. So I pre-ordered mine and I got mine for 50 bucks, like $49.95, $6 shipping. It comes with 6 polishes, and they launched today, you guys. I was able to get it out by today for you guys. So I am swatching everything on my hands. I'm going to tell you which ones are my favorites, which ones I like. They always come out in a bundle and they also come out in like by themselves. So if you just want to get one polish, you definitely can. If you're new, hi, welcome. Make sure you are subscribed. Make sure you hit that subscribe button. Make sure you hit the notification bell so you can be notified of all my videos that are to come. And you guys are lucky because you're gonna get another video tomorrow. 3 videos in a row. You guys are freaking lucky. But yeah, so let's just jump on into the collection, to the swatches, and all that kind of fun stuff. So we're gonna start with lightest to darkest, and we're gonna start with this polish right here. This is the first color. It is Winter is Coming, and I'm not gonna lie, when I saw this on their Instagram, I wasn't super impressed. It would just look like a sparkly white, but when I received it, it looks so gorgeous, you guys. I can't even explain how beautiful this polish looks. This polish looks so amazing, so beautiful, just sparkly, snowy, just gorgeousness. It really is 10 times more shinier on your nails than in the bottle, and it's just absolutely gorgeous. Now this is one that's sheer, so you have to build it up, 2 coats, maybe 3, but or you can, I find that this would be a beautiful one to also put on top of other polishes to give it like a snowy look or snowy effect, like a veil, and it'd be really beautiful just because it's so dang sparkly. But this is absolutely gorgeous and very, very unique, I find. I don't know how a white can be so unique, but it can. I really, really, really love this one. Next is the one I'm wearing today. It is Sophie, and at first when I got this, I thought this was just a white, but it's not, you guys. As I applied my second coat on my nails, I realized that it was like a super, super light gray, which is what they say it is. It's a super, super light gray, and I completely agree. I think that you can tell a difference between white and this color on your nails. I think with the first coat, it was kind of tricky, and if you see it like in dim lighting, it was kind of tricky, but as you apply it specifically on your nails, you can tell a big difference from white and this color. So it is a very, very light white with a gray tint to it, and I actually really do like it. I love colors like this where it's not super harsh like white, but it's close to white. So I really love this one. Very, very opaque. All you need is 2 coats. I applied 2 coats with all my polishes, and that one, these are all pretty opaque and none of them are streaky. So I know whites can be streaky. These 2 are not streaky whatsoever. All right. Next, the next 4 are literally, she just jumped into dark is what she did. So it's this color right here, which is so interesting. I haven't seen a color like this. It is like a burnt orangey red, but then it's pink. It has like a pink iridescence to it. I can't really explain it. It's called Casanova, and it does look pink, but it looks like a burnt pink. It looks like Miami Heat with pink in it. So like Miami Heat, like I have the lipstick right here. Miami Fever, sorry. Miami Fever, but with like a pink like shift to it. And I think it is really gorgeous. It is really unique, and it's not too coppery. If you're someone that doesn't like copper, I don't like copper polish. This is not like that. It definitely has enough pink in there that it looks pink. And less coppery, so if that's what you're worried about. But really absolutely gorgeous. Really opaque in the first coat, but of course I used 2 and it's not streaky whatsoever. None of these polishes are streaky. I really love. She did great with the formula. She didn't mix anything up. You're not going to get anything unexpected. It's a typical Nailpolish formula. Next is this one, Mother of Dragons, and I'm not gonna lie, I love this, and this will look so good with my shadow I have on, but it's like a, it's like an olive green, but it has like a gold shift to it. It's really, really interesting. And Mother of Dragons, I feel like, is the perfect name for it. I can definitely picture like dragon scale type of thing. Again, super opaque, and this does look significantly different than her other olive polishes. I know she has like an army green polish. She has some other like greens in there. She even has that one, what's it called? Is it Capricorn? That's like brown with an olive like shift, like sheen shift, or is it Medusa? I don't remember, but this one does look significantly different than those. So if you have those polishes and you're kind of worried about it, this one looks very, very different. It's very, very shiny, very sparkly. I think she did get like the shine sparkle thing down because it is absolutely gorgeous. This is one of my favorite, my top favorites from this collection. It's just really interesting and cool and unique. And how can you make an olive with gold unique? I don't know. I don't know how she came about to doing this. It's like a yellow gold shift. I absolutely love this. So there's that one. Then we have these two colors that I wasn't very impressed with, particularly Unfortunate Souls. This purple, it's like a brown purple. I can't explain it. It's a purple, but it's like a deep purple, and it's definitely, I could see this flattering a lot of different skin shades, a lot of different people, but I'm not a big fan of purple. So this one wasn't my absolute favorite, but it is gorgeous. It is really opaque, and it is purple, but it's neutral enough that you can wear it like on an everyday, and it will still look good with multiple outfits. If that's something that you're concerned about, I don't know. I am kind of concerned about, I'm picky about what I wear whenever I have certain colors on, so I don't know if you're like that. And last, this blue. This is To the Stars, and so this one, they swatched on the Instagram next to some other blues. I'm not gonna lie, this looked so similar to her other blues that she has. She has a blue that looks very much like this, that is like just a cream. She also has one that has like a sheen metallic to it. This one has like very iridescent glitter sparkles in there, absolutely gorgeous. But it's different, you guys. When I swatched this on my nails, and I feel like in every one of her collections, she always has a polish like this that I am not interested in, but it surprises me when I swatch it. This is one of those polishes. So when I swatched it on my nails, it actually was a pretty bright blue. It was like a pretty true blue, but it had some brightness to it because of those sparkly like iridescent flecks in there. And I love it. I love it so much. You guys, To the Stars, I actually really think this is my favorite blue, like a dark cobalt blue that she has in her collection. This is one of my favorite ones from there. My absolute favorite ones. I can get rid of all of those other blues and be fine with this one because it just has a beautiful lightness to it, but it's still very true blue, and it's just gorgeous, you guys. You guys can see for yourselves. It's just a really, really pretty blue. And this is the one collection that I've noticed on her Instagram, or on the Kale Polish Instagram, that they've kind of gotten a little bit of backlash for, or a little bit of negative comments, because they're saying that the polishes, this polish looks, all the polishes don't look that different than her other polishes, that she can't come up with anything new. You guys, these are unique, you guys, and I know I was one of those too. I went on there, I looked at the colors for this collection, and I wasn't very excited. I wasn't impressed because I thought those aren't unique. That's what I thought. But you guys, when I swatch these do look different on the nails. There's something about them that look unique, and I can see a difference from these, from the other collections she's came out with. So I really do, you guys, I'm not just saying that. You guys know I do like Kale Polish. I do like Caffeine Lights. I'm the first to say that. But I'm honestly telling you guys that these look way different. Like, you have to grab one, swatch it on your hands, because it does look completely different than the other colors that she has. And I feel like these are unique to other brands. I've shopped for polish quite a bit, you guys, from all collections, and she's coming out with polishes that are rather unique with a bomb formula. So I'm very, very impressed. So my favorites is this white, this sparkly white, so gorgeous. Winter is coming, and this Mother of Dragons, and this blue color, To the Stars. These are my three top favorites. If I'm gonna tell you, just get 3 out of the collection. These are the 3 I think are amazing. If you like grays though, you're gonna like this gray. these to me are what I think I'm gonna be using the most out of this whole collection. I absolutely love it. Anyways, yeah. So that's it, you guys. Those are all the polishes for the Winter Rain collection swatched on my hands. You guys know which ones are my favorites. I approve this collection because the quality and the formula is there. No streakiness involved. You guys really know I already like their formula is bomb. Anyways, so yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. You guys know I'm always gonna be swatching her collections. And yeah, I'll put the link for this collection down below. It just launched today, so if you're watching this on Tuesday, it just launched. So go get it before it sells out. Let me know if you've got these or if you're looking at them. Which ones do you think are interesting? Which ones do you think aren't very unique, or which ones do you think are unique? Like, give me your guys' opinion down below. Which one are you excited about? Or which polish from Nailpolish is your absolute favorite? I am curious to know. But yeah, that's it, you guys. I love you guys. I will see you guys tomorrow in a brand new video. Remember, I upload Monday, Wednesdays. And yeah, I'll see you later. Bye, guys.